Okay, so refrigerator's coming in here. It's coming in through this door. This is wide enough. This is wide enough area. And this is the old refrigerator. It's gonna go in that spot behind there. So let me show you what we're dealing with. Right here, it went over the curb, and the guy went over the curb and delivered it right there in that spot. We dragged it over here, and that's where the refrigerator currently is, right there. So we had to take the catio pretty much apart. We have bees up here all over, and then once we get through here, this is wide enough, we got to come around this corner, go through this gate, which we also know is wide enough, get through the gauntlet of dogs, move the cage out of the way, get through that opening through the framing, and then we can get it to the back door where it might actually fit. Okay, so we got it through here. We're here at the gate, and we got it on the truck, and we're about to get it into the backyard. And Jacqueline is spraying the dogs so they won't attack us. And we hopefully don't slip and kill ourselves as we're going through here. Okay, so we got it through here. We had to move this. This was not fun. We got it through here. Went through this place. This had to be shoved over while I ran it through while Jeremiah was doing that. And now the refrigerator's here. So now our problem, or our next challenge, shouldn't say problem, our next challenge is we need to move this table out of the way and get the other refrigerator out. So that's the next step. Okay, so we have 34, basically 34 inches here. We just realized we're going to have to take the doors and the drawers and the doors off to get it through the kitchen. So that's the next step. We have to figure out how to get it through. Okay, so after many bad words and much other struggles, we got both of these doors off, got it, slid it in here, and it's in the house with our other refrigerator. So on one hand, mission accomplished. On the other hand, we didn't do it exactly how we wanted to, so and we can't use it, so we're gonna have to sleep on it and figure it out, and we're gonna have to get our project done so we can get this thing moved in there. But the good news is we know how to move it in there, and it only has to go a few feet. So but that's the completion for today.